Hello everyone, this is Clovis from the Fritz and Lab YouTube channel in one more video for you. Today I'm gonna show you a project I made. It is an electronic dice. A dice is a device with at least 6 sides, which is a cube, for example. It's a dice, so it has numbers from 1 to 6, one number each side. And we throw the dice to sort a number or to give us a number between 1 and 6. What I'm doing here is I have 6 LEDs, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna press a button. In this case in here, there's this wire that I'm gonna touch in the pin 15 of the Raspberry Pi Pico 2. So when I touch the wire on pin 15 with 3.3 volts, it's gonna sort a number. It's gonna show me a number in the LEDs. As I said, I'm using a Raspberry Pi Pico 2, but I could be using anything that is capable of doing Arduino. For example, a Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, ESP32, STM32 with Arduino Core. Anything that runs Arduino works for this project, right? So let me do what I have to do in here. Whoops. I'm gonna touch this part of the circuit, which is pin 15. See? I have 6 LEDs, which means number 6. I'm gonna touch the pin 15 again. So number 4, I'm gonna touch it again. Number 1, I'm gonna touch it again. Number 5. So you see, it is sorting. It's giving me different numbers. Number 5 again. Number 1 again. Number 2. So every time I touch pin 15 with my 3.3 volts wire, it gives me a different number. Let me show you a little bit what's happening. So in the serial monitor, it is showing number 4, which is the last number that was sorted. So it was number 4. If I touch the pin 15 again, let me touch. So number 3 now. Let me touch it again. Number 1 now. See, it's sending me to the serial monitor with the last number sorted. What's happening here, let me show you, is that in the loop there's a time control. So every 100 milliseconds, or sorry, 300 milliseconds, I execute the code I want to execute, which is the variable number, or número in Portuguese, receives a random number between 1 and 6. So you put 7 in here, but it receives a number between 1 and 6. Then it decides if número is equal to 1, or number is equal to 1, it lights the first LED, pin 1. If number is equal to 2, it lights the first 2 LEDs, right? And so on, so on, so on. When I get to number 6, which is the last one, it lights every LED, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the code. So this is a electronic dice. If you want to get the code for this, go to fritzenlab.net. Again, fritzenlab.net. Or in the video description of this video on YouTube or Instagram, there's a link for the code. Okay guys, see you next time.